Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get Wi-Fi on Delta Airlines. First, turn on airplane mode on your smartphone. Then, go to your Wi-Fi settings and turn Wi-Fi on. From the list of available networks, select deltawifi.com. If you're not automatically redirected, open a browser and manually type deltawifi.com into the address bar. Sign in to your SkyMiles account or register if you don't have one. Pick a Wi-Fi plan that works best for you, or select the free messaging plan to stay connected via apps like iMessage or WhatsApp. Follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to get Wi-Fi on Delta Airlines. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.